Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make yam and chicken pepper soup. Guys, look at this pepper soup. Winter is approaching. This is what you need. So let me show you the ingredients I will be using. I will be using a tuber of yam, star cube, onion, scotch bonnet, and spices, pepper soup spices, parsley leaves, salt. I'm using Himalaya salt. We can use any salt. Frozen scent leaves and chicken. I'm using hard chicken. To make this recipe, you need hard chicken and not the soft type. So I'm going to start by cooking the chicken. I'm going to add scotch bonnet, onions, salt, star cube, and water. So after adding all the ingredients, I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook for at least 30 minutes. While the chicken is still on the fire, I'm going to prepare the spices and the yam. So I'm going to peel and cut the yam into pieces. So what I'm doing now, I'm cutting the yam. I've already washed it. You need to wash the yam very well to avoid eating sand. After 30 minutes of cooking the chicken, I added the yam. I also added the spices, the pepper soup spices. I added more water, then cover the pot. I transferred it into a bigger pot and added more water. So I'm going to add more salt, scent leaves, and the parsley leaves. So I'm going to cover the pot again and allow it to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. So our food is ready. Guys, this is what you need in this winter. Look at this soup. Please, when preparing this food, don't use soft chicken, use hard chicken. Thank you for watching and please subscribe if you've not done that. See you guys in my next video. Bye.